You already know that people love videos on social. I mean, you're watching one right now. In fact, we found that 66% of consumers think short-form video is the most engaging social content. Video is here to stay, but to get more out of it long-term, you really need to scale your efforts now. Hi, I'm Carly with Sprout Social, and I've got 6 tips to keep your social media video marketing, that's hard to say, on track without burning out your team. Social media video marketing is about more than just chasing trends or going viral. It's all about connecting with your audience. Short social videos build awareness and tap into the content that people love. And longer videos are great for storytelling and have benefits beyond social. YouTube videos, just like this one, are great for SEO and can be added to your website. I know what you're thinking, this sounds like a lot of extra work, but more video doesn't have to mean more stress, and streamlining your video production will help, which starts where all good marketing starts, with your audience and goals. Every brand video, even a 5-second long reel, has a purpose, like building awareness or engagement. Identifying your goals and knowing your audience will help you answer questions you'll use throughout your video making process, like why you're making videos, what business objectives they support, and who they're for. This is the foundation that will make every video more intentional. For example, if your audience is more serious, dance videos probably aren't the right move. And that brings us to my favorite tip: narrow down ideas for your social media videos guided by those goals. Your videos can be educational, entertaining, inspirational, trendy, behind the scenes, I could keep going. But I'll get right to my hack: you don't have to start from nothing. Your social data already tells you what posts you might want to recreate as videos. When I was part of the team that helped launch a TikTok account for Shed Aquarium, we started with the animals we knew people immediately connected with based on their engagement. Using a tool like Sprout's Post Performance Report automatically shows you your best posts, so you can start filming faster. Speaking of tools, our next tip is to lean into automation when you can. Surprise, surprise, we're talking about AI. You shouldn't let AI write full scripts for you, but you should use it as a starting point. Tapping AI tools to help brainstorm, start video briefs, and shape scripts speeds up repetitive tasks. This can help you when you're ready to promote your video too. Sprout's AI and automation, for example, suggests engaging captions in seconds and the best posting times for your content. You might not be doubling down on video on every channel, so ID the channels you will use. This streamlines your efforts and helps you repurpose instead of refilming. For example, if you're posting mainly on TikTok and Reels, you'll probably be filming like this, vertically. This also helps you create templates to streamline future work. Think YouTube title card templates like these, or even script templates. Video production can get chaotic fast, so you need a production schedule. This is basically a detailed list of who's doing what, any equipment needed, and production and posting deadlines. This is especially helpful when you're coordinating with other teams to star in or even film video content for you, which, by the way, is a great way to lighten your team load and gets new faces on your channels. A schedule also helps you organize another scaling hack: creating your videos in batches rather than one at a time. Having this content already done means you have more time to jump on trends. Finally, this is social media we're talking about, so look at your data to see how your videos performed and impacted your larger strategy and KPIs. Using a tool cuts out a lot of back and forth here. Sprout's reporting and analytics tools track your video performance alongside your whole social strategy, so you can connect the dots between social and business goals. Try Sprout free for 30 days right up there to see how it can help you speed up and scale your work at the same time. Thanks for watching. If this video got you excited to say lights, camera, or phone, action, give us a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. See you next time.